Donna Harris, and I'm going to be Maximum Momming today. So I'm going to be cleaning out the refrigerator after tons of holiday leftovers and just leftovers in general. And I'm also going to be doing a grocery haul because I have some grocery shopping. We just got back from vacation and we really need some groceries. You'll see after I clean out the refrigerator how little food that we have. So let's get started. As I take out the things in the refrigerator, checking to see if things are expired, I noticed that this yogurt is completely expired. I'm checking the date and I am so disappointed that most of them are expired already. And that means I have to get rid of the whole lot of them. And that makes me really sad because I really love this brand. And plus, it's just a waste of food. So I have to just dump it all. And next time when I go grocery shopping, I won't buy so much. Yogurt drinks that I got from Sam's Club. Yeah, they say June 2nd, and it was way past June 2nd. And I was just like, I had to just dump them all, and it hurt my feelings. I realized here that I was going to have to clean the shelves with the condiments and things on them and salad dressings. So I was just going to go ahead and clean these shelves as well as the crisper and the cheese drawer. So yeah, I'm going to have to do that. For this clean, I'm using Dawn Power Wash, and I'm also going to use a Scrub Daddy scrubber, just the square scrubber, and I have my Scrub Mommy available just in case the stains are a little bit too rough. But it seemed that the Scrub Daddy square scrubber worked just fine with the power wash, so I'm gonna ahead and use that. So now I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese drawer back in. It's been cleaned and dried. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the cheese back in it. This is all the cheese that I deemed acceptable. That wasn't moldy or old or expired. And just go ahead and put that back in. And as you can see, we have a lot of cheese. So this is my refrigerator all cleaned out. As you can see, it's a little bit empty. We don't have much food because we have a term called going to zero, and that means taking our food to zero. We will not buy a lot of food right before vacation, so we didn't. So I'm back from the grocery store, and this is what we got. We got some white rice because we're going to need that. We always keep that on staple. And then we got some yogurt. I like Activia. It's only 90 calories per little container. And then we got some whipped yogurt. I like the chocolate kind. It's so good. And then I got some Smucker's sugar-free peach preserves and some strawberry jam. We like that. Well, I like that the most. And then my 12-year-old, she loves goldfish colors. I don't know, the colors don't have any flavors, but she likes it. And then we got some brownie mix. I want to try the Ghirardelli ultimate chocolate because we just like brownies. And then we love peanut butter cookies. So the last time we made some, I ate them all. So I got some more. And then we have some Nora rice sides. My 15-year-old likes that with chicken. And so I got that. And then we're going to have chili, nachos for dinner. We had nachos for dinner already. So I got some ground turkey to make with the chili to go with the nachos. And as you see, we had nacho chips. So, and we have some chicken thighs that I'm going to air fry, as well as make some chicken cacciatore in the Instant Pot. So those chicken thighs are going to go a long way. And then, as you can see, we are a pop soda fanatic. I'm from the Midwest, so I still say pop. Even though I'm in California, they try to make us say soda, but we're not going to say soda. And I'm trying this ultimate limited edition legend Coca-Cola. Since I've made this video, I've tried it and we love it. So, but we don't know. It has like a banana flavor to it, but it's a little weird, but we like it. And then I've got some sausages. We like links and patties. So some people like the patties, some people like the links. So I get both. And then I have some chocolate milk for my 15-year-old because she's a fanatic of that. And then some linguine because I'm going to make some chicken Alfredo with linguine. I don't use fettuccine because I'm not that great at cooking it. It always sticks. And then we have some chips. For my daughters, I like the individual bags because it's just better that way. And they like the flaming hot kind, so I get that too. And then I got some more cheese because, like I said, we're cheese fanatics over here. Plus, I'm gonna make some tacos, so I wanted to make sure that we had some shredded cheese for that. That's where the lettuce comes in. We have the chopped salad kit. I like the chopped salad kit because it comes with everything, croutons, you name it, and the salad dressing. My husband likes the Caesar salad kit, but he doesn't like it chopped. He just likes it regular romaine lettuce, but I like it chopped. And like I said, we have the iceberg chopped lettuce. And then I have some Parmesan cheese because I'm going to make the fettuccine Alfredo, and I'm making my Alfredo sauce from scratch. So I need the Parmesan. And then I bought some grapes. My daughter likes the black seedless. So I got that. My 12-year-old daughter likes those. And then I've got some Prego and some diced tomatoes because I like to put that in my sauce because I'm going to make some spaghetti. And then we've got popcorn. So I want to get light butter. They like to get extra butter, but I just get butter. And then this is an impulse buy. I was really thirsty, so I got mango lemonade. I am a sucker for impulse buying. And this is also an impulse buy, but I do love cranberry juice, so I got that. And then I have the oatmeal crumble, Nature's Bakery. I love that. I'm going to probably be the only one that eats that. And then I got Nilla wafers. My family loves those. And then, of course, I had to get some cleaning supplies. And I've got Dawn antibacterial dishwashing liquid or soap. And then I got Dawn Power Wash because I love that. And then I got Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaner. I use that to mop my floors. I use that in my multi-purpose spray. So I use that for everything. And that's it. This is my haul for today. I spent a lot of time at the grocery store, almost an hour getting everything and trying to get just what I needed because I can spend forever at the grocery store. So this is what I got, guys. Now it's time to put all the refrigerated items away. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.